Hello everyone, my name is Tatiana. I am a hairstylist at Philadelphia Hair Design, and I'm here to show you how to do a high bun. So we're starting off with day 2 hair. My hair is just crazy. It's not really doing what I want it to do. So I just want to put it in a high bun and get it out my face, but make it look put together. So we're going to start off with just detangling it using our Samvia paddle brush. I like to make sure my hair is nice and smooth before doing any hairstyle. It just makes it easier to control. Now we're starting off with our Deep Clean Dry Shampoo by Redken. I'm going to spray that directly to my root, just taking different sections in the hair and spraying. This is my favorite. It smells so good and it really makes a big difference instantly, as you can see. Now we're just going to brush that through and make sure it's mixed in. We're going to make sure that it's evenly distributed throughout the hair. Now we're going in with No Blow Dry by Redken, and this is going to add smoothness and tons of shine. I like to focus on my hairline and the front area and also the back of my hair. I just use my fingers and comb it all through. And we're gonna prep it for that ponytail. So I like to just pull my hair, like I said, just using my fingers, and I'm gonna set it to as high as I would like the ponytail to sit. Now going in with our Soft Finish Hairspray by Pureology, I'm gonna spray, again focusing on my hairline and front area, and then the back of my hair, which is like under the bun. I like to take my time in the back and just fill out any bumps, keep brushing. It helps to just go over it. It hurts your arms, but pull through. And then we're gonna use our Soft Finish Hairspray just to spray it once more and really give it that extra hold. I have a lot of flyaways, so I need that extra hold. And then we're going to use our finishing brush just to smooth everything out once more. I like to focus on my back just to make sure that it's nice and smooth. Doesn't have to be perfect. Once I feel comfortable with where it's sitting and I feel like I took all the bumps out, I go in with my black hair elastic. I choose black because it just matches my natural color. And then I'm just gonna go and make a nice tight ponytail. Add some Deep Clean Dry Shampoo to the ponytail just to give it some texture and body. Now going in with my second hair elastic, I'm gonna wrap that around the ponytail and just make it a bit tighter. I prefer my ponytail to be as tight as possible. You don't have to use 2 if you don't want to. Now we're gonna go in with our finishing brush and just brush that ponytail through and make sure it's nice and smooth. And tighten it once more. Now we're gonna twist that ponytail in one direction and then twist around into a bun in that same direction. Then to secure those loose ends, we're just going to tuck that in to the second hair elastic that we used. And then pinch and tuck any pieces that you see are popping out just to create that perfect shape that you would like. Now that I have the bun set, I'm just scrunching around and just giving it some texture. One, by adding that dry shampoo, and also adding some hairspray and just scrunching it with my fingers and tucking any loose ends into the bun. And you can just repeat that until you feel happy with how it looks. And voila, we're done. This is our finishing product. This is one of my favorite go-to hairstyles, and I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some good tips.